Good Friday evening. There's a lot of breaking news as we come on the air. We'll get to the president's impeachment trial in just a moment, but we're going to begin with the outbreak of that deadly coronavirus from China. Tonight, a second American has been diagnosed, this time in Chicago. And the CDC says they are investigating more than 60 possible cases. Now, in China, the pneumonia-like illness has killed dozens, and 35 million people there are now locked down, unable to travel. In the city of Wuhan, where the virus started, they are scrambling to build a new hospital by the end of next week. Tonight, the State Department is urging Americans to stay away, and airlines are letting passengers cancel flights there for free. Ramy Inocencio is in China, but we're going to begin tonight with Dean Reynolds in Chicago. Dean?
Nora, the patient who tested positive for the coronavirus is currently being kept in an isolation room at an undisclosed hospital here in Chicago. She is said to be in good condition, but the CDC warns us to expect the number of these cases to rise. Tonight, with potential new coronavirus cases being investigated coast to coast, the virus is definitely here. Today, we learned that among the thousands of passengers arriving at O'Hare International Airport was one woman in her 60s who returned from China 11 days ago with a problem.
She was infected in Wuhan, China, so she starts to develop symptoms 3 to 4 days after getting back.
Feeling unwell when she told her doctor about Wuhan, the center of this outbreak, he placed a mask on her face and sent her right to the hospital.
We are looking very closely at any of her contacts.
On Tuesday, a man in his 30s became the first U.S. coronavirus patient. Today, he's in satisfactory condition at this hospital north of Seattle. Nurses trained for Ebola patients are providing his care, wearing hoods and face shields and using respirators to filter air.
You should be expecting to see additional cases of novel coronavirus in the United States.